Hi there, my name's Chef Eric. I'm at the City of Hope here in Phoenix and sponsored by the Cancer Fighters. So we're doing this little video on smoothies today. It's a very simple recipe using fresh ingredients and just blending it up. And you'll notice we're not using any ice in this recipe. We froze our fruit, which will act as ice and keeping our smoothie cold. So some of the recipes we've adjusted a little bit to kind of work inside of our business. This has kale in it, which anyone that is curious about nutrition knows. Kale is one of those dark leafy greens, helps fight cancers. It helps do a lot of good things in your body. This is a way to be able to stomach kale if you don't like it and not even really hardly taste it. It'll turn your smoothie a little bit green, and it's going to be weird until you take that first bite. And then you're going to be like, this is good. I could do this every day. So that's why we're showing you this one here. So I hope you enjoy. There's not a lot of technique involved here. We are using a hand blender versus a big giant Vitamix like you can have at home. You could have either one. This will allow you to make multiple smoothies with very little cleanup. I kind of like that concept. So what we're going to first add is the coconut water, because that's what is our main liquid to this one. Fresh chopped green kale. We got strawberries and we got mangoes. And then you need about a half a banana, it says. What it doesn't tell you is the ripeness of your banana. Obviously, you can tell by looking at this one on the camera, it's not a brand new banana. Probably most people wouldn't even eat it. They would throw it out. But these are perfect for your smoothie. It allows just the right amount of sweetness without being mushy. So it gives you all that potassium in there as well. So I'm just going to blend these up. So after you're done blending, just going to detach your mixer. You can set that off to the side. And on this recipe, the one thing you may not know is we actually have this recipe here on our patient menu. So we make this multiple times every single day. And even though it's green and even though it has kale, I'm telling you, when I go up and visit our patients, it's the #1 smoothie they like the most. So as you can see, the ingredients were very easy to put together. You can see the consistency as we pour it for you. And once again, once you try it, I got a feeling you're going to love it. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Please look out for other videos, and we hope you have a great day.